Lane 2, Lynch Calabar. Lane 3, Malcolm Ferncourt. Lane 4, Jones, Camperdown. Lane 5, Harris, also of Camperdown. Lane 6, Davis, St. Catherine. Lane 7, St. John. And lane 8, Dunkley on attempt. Finally sent about their business there. 7 on the track. Edwin Allen, St. Jean. Running out of lane 7. Gentleman running in lane 5, however. That's Junior Harris. 10.70 his time. That's the flash time. Negative 0.8 meters per second the wind speed. So Junior Harris of Camperdown. 10.70. Negative 0.8 meters per second, 10.70 the winning time for Harris. Lynch, second, 10.76, and third, 10.84. Saint-Jean of Edwin Allen.